Morning, dear students. I hope missed the topic parenchyma types. Okay, then only parenchyma types I teach will the topic. Okay, first one parenchyma types. Parenchyma, which chlorophyll helps in photosynthesis. Okay, chlorenchyma and parenchyma, which with chlorophyll helps in photosynthesis. So, photosynthesis, internal factors or external factors. That is, photosynthesis action of pigments, leaf age, accumulation of carbohydrates and hormones. External factors: light and carbohydrates, temperature, water and minerals, mineral elements. That is, factors affecting of photosynthesis in a plant. Okay, so artificial photosynthesis method for producing renewable energy by the use of sunlight. So Indian scientist CNR Rao, who was conferred the Bharat Ratna 2013, is also working on similar technology of artificial photosynthesis to produce hydrogen fuel. So renewable energy. Okay, then only stellate parenchyma. So that is pictures of stellate parenchymas. So leaves, so some leaves of different different size of. So what where do so photosynthesis occurs? Green pots plant especially in green leaves. That is photosynthesis pigment, that is involved the photosynthesis. Two classes, namely of primary pigments and accessory pigments. So chlorophyll is the primary pigments. Okay, so covers into electrical and chemical energy. There's reactions of center. So other pigments such as chlorophyll B and accessory pigments, they force on the absorbed energy to chlorophyll and molecules. Okay, then only collenchyma. What is collenchyma? It is a disease responsible for plaxicity in plant, supporting and strengthening tissues. Elongated cells. It is irregularly thickened and horns. It is less intercellular spaces, so living mechanical diseases. What is functions of collenchyma? Allow bending of systems, leaves without breaking. Then one is sclerenchyma. This is responsible for stiffness in plant, long, narrows and dead cells. Thickened cells walls made of cellulose impregnated with lignin. Okay, so simple pits are present in thickened cell walls. Not intercellular spaces. Two forms of sclerenchymas, sclerides and fibers. Okay, then one is sclerides. So spherical, cylindrical in shape, highly thickened dead cells, narrow lumen and found in fruits and seeds. Then only fibers, so elongated needles shaped with pointed tips, thick walled cells, narrow lumen. Then only what are they found? So hard covering of seeds and nuts, veins of leaves, stems around vascular bundles. So examples of seeds inside and outside the fruits. So functions: providing strength in plant spots, so providing mechanical support. Then only parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Okay, what is parenchyma? So cells, parenchyma living and collenchyma it is living, sclerenchyma dead on maturity. Okay, maturity. Then only cells of interregular spaces and parenchyma less amount and collenchyma lesser and sclerenchyma absent. So cell wall thin, irregularly thickened at corners and thicked with lignin. Functions: packing diseases photosynthesis in leaves and storage of food. So then only collenchyma flexibility and sclerenchyma stuffiness support and production. Complex of permanent tissues made up of many types of cells co-coordinates to perform specific common functions. Examples of xylem, phloem. Complex permanent tissues, xylem and phloem together consists vascular bundle conducting tissues. These pictures of conducting soft diseases. Then only xylem, mostly dead cells conducting water and minerals from roots to stem and leaves. So elements is made up of tracheids, vessels, xylem, parenchyma, xylem and fibers. Okay, these pictures of xylem. Then only xylem tracheids, so vessels, tubular structures conduct waters and minerals vertically, dead cells without protoplasms. So vessels, tabular cells and with chambering ends, lignin feed walls without protoplasm. Performations present, gymnosperms lack vessels. Okay, then only position symbols of xylem. So phloem transport food materials from leaves to together other plants. Living cells extract from phloem fibers. Okay, living cells extract phloem fibers. Elements is made up of sieve tubes and companion cells, phloem, parenchyma and phloem fibers. So xylem and phloem differentiate. Okay, shall we read that slides? Then only monocot roots. What is monocot roots and dicot roots? What is monocot roots? There are epidermis and mesophyll vasculous bundles. There are three parts. Okay, so importance: monocot leaf has upper and lower epidermis. So epidermis is made up of parenchyma. Epidermis is made up of parenchyma cells. Corticals is present on the outer wall. Stomata are present on both upper and lower epidermis. Some cells of upper epidermis and are large and thin walled. They are known as full form cells. Okay, fully formed cells. Fully formed cells. Then only mesophyll. Mesophills, it is Crohn diseases that present between both epidermal layer. So mesophyll is not differentiate into palisade and sponge parenchyma. That is, this is called as irregularly arranged with intercellular spaces. These cells contains chloroplast. Then only vascular bundles, a large number of vascular bundles present, some of which are small and some large. Each vascular bundles is surrounding by parenchymatous bundles sheath. Vascular bundles are conjoined, collateral and closed. Xylem is present towards upper epidermis and phloem towards lower epidermis. Then only monocot systems, cells functions. These pictures. Okay, monocot systems, epidermis, hypodermis and vascular bundles, sclerenchymatous cells and vascular bundles scattered, conjoined, closed and surrounded by sclerenchymatous bundles sheath. Okay, so parenchymatous grown diseases. So discord systems. Okay, discord systems pictures. What is discord systems? These positions of discord systems. Wait for a minute. It is dicot stem. Okay, dicot stems. It is epiplasma and hordex, endodermis, Casparian strips, stelli and pericycles. So vascular bundles. So pith. So this part, all parts including that is dicot root. Okay, that is it is called outer layer corticals and stomato absent. Unicellular root hairs are present. So cortex parenchymatous cells which intercellular spaces. Endotherm is what is parallel shape, closely back and show band like thickness on radial and inter tangential walls. Okay, then only Caparian strips, what is movement of waters dissolved salt from cortex into xylem. Stele, what is including pericycles and vascular bundle. Pericycle, what is origin of lateral roots. Vascular bundles dicot root, it is made up of parenchyma. With young root contains with versus old root. Pith is absent. Okay, then only dicot systems of pictures. Okay, thank you students, thank you to all.